Avalon Airshow Carnage, legal wrangles and safety, Stoush up in smoke. Crikey, what a disaster at the Avalon Airshow. One moment, it's high-flying aerobatics. The next, chaos on the tarmac. But beyond the shock and dust, the legal fallout is just taking off. Aviation safety in Australia is no joke. Under CASA regulations, Civil Aviation Safety Authority, every airshow must meet strict safety protocols. And if there's a stuff-up, whether mechanical failure or human error, expect serious investigations. If negligence is found, pilots, organizers, or even aircraft manufacturers could cop fines, bans, or liability lawsuits under work health and safety laws. And let's not forget, if this crash caused harm to bystanders, we could even see civil compensation claims flying in. This isn't just a tragic accident, mates. It's a legal minefield where every regulation, every risk assessment, and every safety check will be under the microscope. For more legal deep dives without the media fluff, subscribe to Aussie Legal Insights, follow for updates, and share this with your mates who love a bit of legal drama.